Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a video showing you how to change curtain wall materials in Revit. Let's get started. So I opened the modern office building. I'm gonna do an example here. So what I'm planning to do is to change materials for the curtain wall. So I want at the top and in the middle to have different finish or material, and then the one in the middle has a different material as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to ease elevation. So we have our ease elevation right here. I'm gonna change this to consistent color so that you can see, and let's add in a curtain grid. So like I said, I want at the top to have a different material, and then let's just do this quickly. So I'm putting the curtain grid first so that I could able to divide the curtain wall. And once it's divided like this, don't add the curtain or the mullion first. We will need to set it. So let's go to 3D. And now if you highlight this and click tab, you'll be able to select the window or the curtain wall. Now it is set to system panel glaze. You will need to edit the type, and then in the edit type, so the default material is glass. We will need to duplicate this so that we could change different glass, and at the moment the name is glazed. So duplicate this. This will be glazed 2. Press OK, and now we could change the materials. So I'm gonna change this material to something different so that it's noticeable. So give it a second. And then now the material browser is open. Let's click on below here and go to the glass area. There's a lot more here. Let's look for something different that is noticeable. Let's choose this, or glass green. Apply and then OK, and then now glass green is for glaze 2, and press OK. So now as you can see, it changed color. We can now set all of this to glaze 2. So just highlight it by clicking on tab, and then now we have glaze 2 here. Now it's set like this. You just need to keep on tabbing, and then now we could have a different material glass on this in the middle. So I'm gonna set this and do it again. Edit type, duplicate this. This will be glaze number 3, and then now let's change the material again. So let's go down here, click on glass, and let's choose this glass matte, and then click apply and then OK, and then OK again. So now we have a different material for the middle. Now you just need to click on tab and select that system panel and then change it from here. So now we have glaze 2 and glaze 3. So we just need to keep on doing this, and then once you're done, we can now divide it vertically so that it's easier to see what the concept is like. So now I'm just keeping on tabbing there, and then the one in the middle will be glaze 3. And then lastly, this one. Now let's go to our elevation, and then we just need to add in the grid lines. I'm just going to quickly divide this. Like that. And let's go back to 3D. And let's go to realistic. And as you can see, it changes the glass here. There's a big difference between the glass, the one at the top and and then versus the middle. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.